Hi, this is Sensei Bill Cole, just getting back from the award ceremony tonight. By the way, congratulations to our newest under sensei. You have achieved a great honor in this art. Today's video is going to be about selection of knives for self-defense. Everyday carry knives. What you want to look out for, what you want to avoid carrying. We're going to grade each knife. Basic utility knives. So the grading scale is as follows. How quiet is it? How attention drawing is it? Does it have an honor associated with it? Ninjas don't believe in honor. How effective is this in use? How easy to use is it? How easy is it to deploy? And how versatile is it? Utility knife like this. Definitely noisy. So this is going to get an F for silence. It's an A for concealability. These are cheap. Everybody pretty much has one. There's no honor associated with it, so it gets an A. Is it effective? Probably a C. These were not designed for use as weapons. They're last resort. For self-defense, these will not necessarily be the best option you can pick. Easy to use is an A. Easy deployment's an A. Very versatile, so we're going to give this a C for use as a ninja self-defense everyday carry knife. This would also receive the same grade. It's slightly better, but not much. Optional knife. An everyday carry folding knife. So this gets an A for silence. Attention drawing. It doesn't really draw attention, so it's an A. Lack of honor, A. These are not really considered to be tools of great warriors. These are peasant tools, which the ninja were peasant farmers originally, so these are definitely fit the bill for a ninja weapon. Effective with the use of a collar, but still this is a flimsy design, so it's going to get a B for effectiveness. Ease of use, A. Ease of deployment. The one problem you'll have in this is in wintertime, the wood shrinks, and I've had to open this with pliers before, so it gets an F. It gets a D in ease of deployment. Very versatile. So given the grades of this, we're going to give it a C minus for proper use as a modern day ninja self-defense tool. Now, Swiss Army knife. Silent when you remove the ring. It is silent. It gets an A. Ease of concealability is A. Lack of honor, A. We'll give it a B for lack of honor. Effective. It's going to get probably a C for effectiveness, because it doesn't have a lock spring on it. It doesn't lock, and which leaves you only with your cutting method for defending yourself. So it gets a C for effectiveness. Ease of use, very easy to use. B for ease of deployment, because it has this thumb thing, which can be very hard to open for people without nails. Very versatile. It's a multi-tool. So for Swiss Army knife, is going to receive a B minus as a good ninjutsu everyday carry self-defense knife. B minus. Hella knife. Silence gets an A. Ease of drawing. Attention drawing. Concealable. This is going to get a probably a C. Lack of honor, it gets an F. Because now in combat it gets an A, but these are expensive knives. They're prestigious knives that are handmade in I think Norway. Very, very prestigious blades. Not the kind you would carry for everyday use, because if you lose this, you've lost a $200 knife. So definitely an F. Is it effective? Locking blade, good thick handle, easy not to slip on down your blade. So this gets an A for effectiveness. Ease of use is definitely an A. Ease of deployment's A. Versatility A is good for camping, good for work tool. But because it gets an F in the lack of honor, hella for an everyday carry weapon for a ninja gets a D. Other kinds of knives. I have one more here, three more actually. This is an Essie knife. First off, is it going to draw attention? Yes. So it gets an F for concealability. It is silent. A. We'll give it a B because it can rattle in the sheath. Lack of honor. This brand is associated with some prestige. It's expensive, so we're going to give it a C. It's not the same as an optional knife. Effective, absolutely, for the same reason the Hella knife is. So A in effectiveness. Ease of use, absolutely easy to use. Ease of deployment, absolutely. Versatility, absolutely versatile. The serrated edge makes it easy to cut through rope and fabric. Very good razor sharp edge, easy to sharpen. These are very versatile knives. So an Essie is going to receive a C for everyday carry for a ninja. We're going to get to my favorites, which will be somewhere I have my Kershaw knife. That'll be a different video. But a knife that has spring assist opening, good blade profile, not too expensive, but not cheap. This is a good basic everyday carry weapon for a ninja because it is silent. We're going to give it a C in silence because when it opens, it rapidly opens. And it does have this piece that rattles. Attention drawing, not really. It's going to get an A. It's very concealable. Lack of honor, just because of the way the blade profile on this one is. So this is called the CRKT Moxie, M-O-X-I-E. This gets an A in lack of honor. Effective, absolutely. Ease of use, yes. Ease of deployment, yes. Versatility, yes. So this knife here is going to get an A- for ninjutsu because of the silence. But it's not that big of a deal with these. Another favorite one is the Kershaw Leak. I don't have mine here, but it is silent. It's an A. It does not draw attention. It's a basic tool, so it gets an A for honor, lack of honor. The blade is really thin, pointed. Lack of honor for blade style. Effective, yes. Ease of use, yes. Ease of deployment, yes. So it gets A across the board. So Kershaw Leak gets an A+. The final knife. This is a tanto-edged knife. Is the Hisatsu folder a very, very ninja weapon? An A for silence. It is concealable, so it's not going to draw attention. The blade itself is wicked. Exactly the lack of honor a ninja would look for. Is it effective? Absolutely. Probably the most effective basic folder I have. Ease of use, exactly easy to use. The only thing you have to do to close this is flip the tab down, so we're going to give it a B for ease of use. Ease of deployment, very easy, very versatile. So this is going to get a A+. So, with the breakdown of knives we have here in the dojo, we're going to rate the ones you should and should not carry as a ninja. Optional, something like this, is a no. The utility knives, use these as work tools. Don't use these as everyday carries as your only everyday carry option. So this, no for ninja. No. Swiss Army knife, since it did receive a B-, I would say this would be a marginally effective everyday carry knife. But I would say don't make this your only everyday carry knife. So a no for the Swiss Army. Everyday carry for something like the Hella received a D. This is not a good everyday carry knife for a ninja. Essie knife, everyday carry, no. So, good everyday carry weapons for a ninja are weapons with a wicked blade pattern like this, concealable, easy to use. The Hisatsu folder, this is a good choice for a ninja. And the Kershaw Leak got an A+. I will show that in tomorrow's video. But those kinds of blades, locking blades only. So when I say an everyday carry knife for a ninja, we mean several things. We want something that is concealable. We want something that is wicked style. We want something that is completely effectiveness, so easy use, deployment, versatility. That all relates to the locking mechanism. So a ninja's knife should have two characteristics: small, concealable, it needs to be non-attention drawing, in pocket. It needs to be wicked. Shape and edge. Quick. And it needs to have a locking mechanism. An assisted opening. So this is what you're looking for. Something that's small enough and light enough to go in your pocket. It is concealable in a pocket and will not draw attention in your pocket. It's wicked shape and edge, and quick to deploy. Locking mechanism and assisted opening. So assisted opening, both have it. Both are wicked style blades. They're easy to conceal in the pocket. They're quick. And they're very, very sharp. That's what you're looking for a ninja's everyday carry weapon. For a knife. So all this other crap, discard it. That's all for everyday carry practical knives. Tomorrow I will go over special knives. And I'll also go over knives that are good for in the field, like if you're hiking in the woods, if you have an animal attack, what kind of knife should you defend yourself against an animal with? Something you would not carry in town, not carry outside the dojo, not carry on your body full time. This has been an enjoyable video. Have a good rest of your morning. This is Sensei Bill Cole signing out.